So now we'll be working on using CSS, HTML, and JavaScript to create a website, a to-do list. If you can remember vividly, we've used JavaScript. Scratch. Sorry, we've used Scratch. We've used Scratch to build a to-do list. So now we'll be using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create to-do list. By the way, when we say to-do list, what do we mean by to-do list? To-do list is what helps you to remember your activities of the day. Like probably you want to do so many things today. You have so many things in mind to carry out, but you don't know how to plan your time, to schedule your time. So the to-do list will help you to do that. So you just have to add your tasks, all your tasks, all your activities to the to-do list. When you add it, so you will be able to go through it again when you want to perform the activities. So you now go through it again so you can remember. So the to-do list will remind you of your activity. Now we've used Crash to build the to-do list. Today we'll be using CSS, HTML, and JavaScript to create the to-do list. Very fast. Let me run the program so you can see it first before I come back. Let's run it from here. Let me go live. Go live now. So this will prompt me, it will take me to the interface there. Then I will load the to-do list. So now let me cancel everything. Cancel everything here. So now you can see the interface. See the interface. You see how the interface look. Very simple. The interface looks so very simple. Now this is what happened. You just need to add your task here. Okay, you add your new task. When you type it, this receives the input just as what happened. Now I told you Crash coding is a block-based coding. We use block to create the to-do list, and it's very interactive, and you can see how the interface look like. So you can see here too, the same thing. It's very interactive. So here we just use, this is not block-based coding, it's text-based coding. So you just enter your task. Let me see my task. What I'm going to be entering here, the first thing, like what we enter on that Scratch coding, the first thing is cooking of rice. Cook rice. You click on the button, add task. You see the task is added already. Maybe you want to remove the task, you just click on this button, the task has been removed. Okay, maybe you want to start from cook beans. Number one is cook beans, right? Cook beans. Then you add it to your task. Good. So now you've added it to the list. So let's add another one. We want to make number 2, cook rice. I know you'll be thinking about this guy like rice so much. He's talking about rice and beans. It's like it's almost like rice. No, maybe you're right. Okay, so add the task. The tasks have been added already. So the third task, let's say I want to play football. Okay, number 3, play football. That is my third task for today. I've added it to it. So this is very very interactive. Sorry, it's very interactive. So what we did here now is that we've used HTML, CSS. HTML build the web page. So we build the web page. After build the web page, we style the web page like we had the coloring, this red coloring, this blue coloring, this red coloring here, everything here, all the color. Okay, we use CSS to style it, but to make it interacting, this button that we click, so it may not be working if we did not add JavaScript. It will not be working. Okay, there are two language that we can use to make it interactive. So if you not want to use, probably you don't want to use JavaScript, you can as well use Python to make the button interactive. So now look at the code. Let me take you back to the code now. So this is the code. You can see the code in the interface here. So we have the script. This is the JavaScript. The JavaScript is written internally. Okay, you can write it internally, you can write it externally. So the JavaScript is embedded inside the HTML, so it's internal. So I get the element by ID for the task input, then I get the element by ID for the to-do list, then I tell it what to do. I put the function to add the storage. I store those input that have been taken here. It was stored on the local storage. Then I render them. I render the storage. I render it. Then this one is for the deleting of the button. So that is this sign for deleting of the button. So I append the child, which is the task test. Then I append the other child element, which is delete button. So if you go down the list, you see some other function there. So this function is for saving the task, this function is for rendering the task. So look at it, alert. If you don't enter anything on that input, you will be alerted that, okay, please enter a task before you submit. So if you click add to task and you've not added anything, it will prompted you to add a task. So let's try that one out first. Okay, now we are back here. We are back here now. So let's try it out. So this, we already have 3 tasks here. Let's remove all the tasks. Let's remove it. So we've removed all the tasks now. Now let's have an empty task, not inputting anything. Then click on the button add task. You see that you'll be prompted that no, you've not entered anything on the input, you've not imputed any task, so you have to enter a task. So let's click on the button. Let's see what is gonna happen. So see it now, it's prompting, telling you please enter a task. So you have to enter something. So you say, okay, let me enter something. Number 1, wash clothes. So add the task. You see that will be fully added. So this take full control of the web page. So it is highly interactive and so good and responsive. So we will be stopping here now. As you can see, we've used Scratch to build to-do list. We've used HTML, CSS, JavaScript to build to-do list. Now in our next class we'll be using Excel to build to-do lists. I will teach you how to use Excel to build to-do list. So these are things you can do on your own. Just subscribe on our page and follow us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. As you are following us, you see some intuitive program, and on my Facebook I've posted a lot of videos on Scratch coding. You know, one thing about Scratch coding is that it's very interesting when you see the interface, when you see the all these things, sprites you are working with, when you see them moving, when you arrange some block of code and you see the action performing and you see it working. So, and that is the joy of a programmer, you understand. So you will like to be a programmer once you try this out. So just come with me, let's continue. Or you can also build your own with me. Let me see what you are trying to do. Okay, thanks very much. Let's just stop here.